Excuse me. Somebody had to do it. I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone interested in the world of Forex trading, Forex brokers. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how Forex brokers work, the different types available, and how to choose the right one can significantly impact your success in the market. So let's break it down in detail. A Forex broker is a financial institution or firm that provides a platform for individuals and institutions to trade currencies in the foreign exchange market. Essentially, Forex brokers act as intermediaries between traders and the global Forex market. They facilitate access to the market by providing the tools needed to buy and sell currency pairs. If you're wondering why you need a broker, the simple answer is that retail traders, like you and me, do not have direct access to the interbank market where major currency transactions happen. Brokers give us that access. Forex brokers typically make money in one of the following ways. Spreads. This is the difference between the bid and ask price of a currency pair. Brokers make a profit by offering you a slightly higher price when you buy and a slightly lower price when you sell. For example, if the EUR USD is trading at 1,002,000 ask price and 1,999.98 bid price, the spread is 2 pips. This is where brokers earn their money. Commissions. Some brokers charge a commission instead of or in addition to the spread. This commission is usually a fixed fee or a percentage of the transaction value. Swap. If you hold a position overnight, brokers might charge or pay you an interest fee based on the difference in interest rates between the two currencies in the pair you're trading. This is called the swap or rollover fee. Markups. Some brokers may also add a markup to the spread, effectively increasing the cost of trading for the customer. There are 3 main types of Forex brokers. Market maker brokers. Market makers essentially create their own market by setting the bid and asking prices for currency pairs. They match your trades against other traders or, in some cases, take the opposite side of your trade themselves. They can offer fixed spreads and are often preferred by beginner traders because of their simplicity. Electronic communication network brokers. ECN for short, ECN brokers connect traders directly to the interbank market, bypassing the need for a middleman. These brokers typically offer variable spreads that can fluctuate with market conditions. Since ECN brokers only charge commissions, they often provide more transparency and tighter spreads, making them a preferred choice for professional traders. Straight-through processing brokers, STP for short. STP brokers are somewhat like ECN brokers in that they send your orders directly to liquidity providers, banks, financial institutions, or other brokers, but without the direct market access that ECN brokers offer. STP brokers can either use fixed or variable spreads and typically don't trade against you.
At 4 o'clock every day, I wake up and I go for a 5-kilometer run.
Now that you understand the different types of brokers, let's talk about how to choose the right one for your needs. Here are the most important factors to consider. Regulation and trustworthiness. First and foremost, you should only trade with a regulated broker. Regulation ensures that the broker adheres to strict financial standards and protects your funds. Check if the broker is registered with reputable regulatory bodies such as Financial Conduct Authority in UK, Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, National Futures Association in the US, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission in Cyprus. Account types. Brokers offer different account types, so look for one that matches your trading style and financial goals. Some brokers offer demo accounts, which are a great way to practice before going live. Standard accounts for beginners, ECN accounts for more experienced traders, Islamic accounts for those who require no overnight fees, micro or cent accounts for small traders. Leverage. Leverage allows you to trade larger positions than your account balance would normally allow. However, it also increases risk. Check the leverage options the broker offers and make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved. Regulatory bodies may impose leverage limits, so ensure that the broker complies with these restrictions. Trading platforms. The platform provided by the broker is where you'll execute your trades. The two most popular platforms are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, CTrader for ECN accounts. Look for a platform that is intuitive, has the tools you need, and supports automated trading if that's something you're interested in. Customer support. A responsive and helpful customer support team can make a huge difference, especially if you run into technical issues or need assistance with your account. Look for brokers that offer 24/7 support via chat, email, or phone. Deposit and withdrawal options. Ensure the broker offers convenient deposit and withdrawal options. Look for flexibility with payment methods such as credit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill. Be aware of any hidden fees for deposits or withdrawals. Fees and spreads. Compare the spreads, commissions, and other fees associated with trading. While some brokers offer low spreads, they may have higher commissions or swap fees, so make sure to factor all costs into your decision. Education and research tools. For beginners, a broker that offers educational resources like webinars, guides, and market analysis can be incredibly helpful. Advanced traders may prefer brokers with detailed charts, news feeds, and research tools. After doing some research, these are the top reputable Forex brokers that are highly recommended throughout the Forex trading community. Other than the basic reasons we highlighted earlier, these Forex brokers offer attractive features to attract and retain retail traders, such as but not limited to, tools to make trading easier, welcome bonuses, no deposit bonuses, and various methods to make more money, like copy trading and or money management accounts. A little disclaimer, we are not affiliated with all of the brokers listed, and we hold no bias towards the one that we do. The first broker on the list is RhasPro. RhasPro is a broker that has been around for a few years and is currently building a large portfolio of trading instruments for its clients. The maximum leverage offered is 1 to 30 with a minimum deposit of $250 with their standard account. However, they offer up to 4 different account types that come with different features and requirements. But the main feature that got them added to the list is the negative balance protection feature. This means that they have measures in place to prevent your account from being completely blown. Super Forex is one of, if not the top ECN Forex brokers in South Africa. They offer leverage up to 1 to 2,000 with a minimum deposit of $1. The lowest minimum deposit offered by any Forex broker on this list. However, this Forex broker got its prominence from the attractive bonuses that they offer to their clients. For example, the 100% welcome bonus on your first deposit, a 75% bonus on every deposit thereafter, or even the whopping 3,000% deposit bonus. FBS is one of South Africa's top Forex brokers known for its sponsorship, trading competitions, deposit bonuses, and awards won over its 2 decades of operation. Their minimum deposit is as low as $5, with leverage reaching up to $3,000. FBS also has copy trading functionalities that you can partake in as a trader or an investor. RhasPro. This is a Forex broker that achieved many accolades and awards since its operation in 2006. They have been awarded Best Forex Broker of the Year 2 times since. Albeit their minimum deposit is $100, they offer 4 account types with unique privileges to each, such as 0 spreads on the raw account type. These accounts can be managed through CTrader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5. Moneta Markets. Moneta Markets offer over 1,000 tradable assets that you can trade with leverage up to 1,000. They offer accounts with very low commissions and 0 spreads, enabling you to make more money. To add a cherry to the top, they are one of the few Forex brokers that offer a 50% bonus on your deposit. HF Markets. Formerly known as Hot Forex, is one of few brokers that offer leverage up to 2,000. A few things that made this broker top the list is the fact that they offer swap-free trading, meaning you don't have to pay any fee to have your trades run overnight. On top of that, is the no minimum deposit feature. So even if you have only a $100 or less and are passionate about becoming a trader, then HF Market is the right broker for you. Rhasfx. Rhasfx is one of the few brokers that seems to always have active promotions, welcome bonuses, deposit bonuses, and even contest prizes. At the time of making this video, they currently have a 100% deposit bonus. That means if you deposit $500, you'll get an additional $500 to up your trading balance so you can use a larger lot size and make more money in a shorter period of time. FXTM is a leading online forex broker with friendly support and a wide range of account types to choose from. FXTM is one of few brokers that have their own mobile app, which you can trade from literally right from your smartphone. In addition to that, you have the option of using the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms instead. FP Markets. This is a prestigious forex broker that holds 4.8 out of 5 ratings on Trustpilot from over 7,000 reviews. FP Markets offer trading conditions with non-existing spreads and lightning-fast execution. You can make money with their built-in copy trading functionalities that you can leverage to multiply your earnings. You also can exercise your right to choose your preferred platform to manage your trades from MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and even TradingView. InstaForex. InstaForex is another broker that is renowned for its generosity in giving bonuses to its clients. They currently offering a 55% replenishment bonus and a 100% first deposit bonus. I like InstaForex because it has one of the largest inbuilt money management features, hosting tens of thousands of traders to choose from. In other words, you can become an investor and let your money work for you through this world-renowned forex broker. Tickmill. Tickmill is a reputable forex broker that offers 3 account types, each with a minimum deposit of $100. Depending on the account, the spreads can go as low as 0. Just like many other brokers on this list, they also have a copy trading feature that you can take advantage of to mimic the trades of more experienced traders. But the selling feature of this forex broker is the fact that it has a $30 welcome bonus for all new clients, plus a monthly competition for a $1,000 cash grand prize. Rhasfx is a Latin American forex broker that has over 15 years under its belt, accumulating a massive 5 million user base. They offer a 10% deposit bonus to up your trading balance. They may not have an inbuilt copy trading system. However, you can link your trading account to third-party social trading platform. RoboForex. Available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, RoboForex is a forex broker distinguished by Forex Brokers for its copy trading features. In addition, $10 is their minimum deposit, eliminating a major barrier for most traders to get started. They offer up to 4 different account types, with leverage up to 1 to 2,000. Depending on the account type, you could also take advantage of their bonuses, which can be either a $30 welcome bonus, getting an additional 10% on your account balance based on your trading volumes, or receiving cash back based on your trading volume. To top it off, they are the only forex broker on this list that offers their client a free VPS server. This means that if you use robots for trading, you no longer need to pay that $10 to $20 monthly fee to host the VPS when you can get it for free. AvaTrade. Governed by a number of regulatory bodies such as the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Central Bank of Ireland, and the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission. AvaTrade also offers binary option trading and copy trading capabilities, meaning you have the option to copy the strategies of their most successful traders. With this broker, you can use either the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. Rhasfx. Rhasfx has over 300 trading instruments with leverage up to 1 to 1,000. Not only that, they also have a 50% deposit bonus that any trader can take advantage of. With their 12 years of operation, they have accounts spanning over 180 countries around the globe, winning over 60 awards to highlight that they're a cut above the rest. This broker is one of few that has their very own inbuilt copy trading system, which is very good for new traders who are trying to make money and experienced traders who are trying to multiply their income. FX Open, you cannot talk about top-tier forex brokers without including FX Open. They have been in the business for over 18 years, with over 1 million traders relying on their excellent service. Because they're an ECN forex broker, their spreads are among the lowest among their competitors. The most outstanding thing about FX Open is its inbuilt money management features. This means that different traders can virtually pool their funds together and allow a master trader to make a profit for them. And at the end of the month, said profit is shared among all its members depending on the trader's deposit. While they may not have an inbuilt copy trading system, they do allow you to link your trading account to different third-party social trading platforms, such as MQL5.com, DuplaTrade, MyFXBook, and Zulu Trade. Pepperstone. Pepperstone is one of those giants that stand in the same league with IC Markets and FX Open. They offer some of the lowest spreads you can find, with ultra-fast execution and reliability. They too have an inbuilt copy trading system, but they also allow traders to link their accounts to third-party social trading platforms like FX Open. Pepperstone is known for its prestige and is also one of the few Forex brokers with IC Markets and FP Markets to be able to manage trades on TradingView along with the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. Rhasfx, the home of the world-renowned synthetic indices. Derive has been in the business for also 3 decades, which has secured the confidence and faith of over 2.5 million traders worldwide. They are the only broker that offers synthetic trading markets, assets that are not affected by outside events such as news, politics, economy, or disasters. For example, Volatility 75, Crash 500, Boom 500, Volatility 100, Step, and much more. IC Markets. IC Market is known to be one of the most beginner-friendly Forex brokers. They boast over 2 million traders under their umbrella, with fast order execution speed, and with some of the tightest spreads and low commission on both of the 2 account types they offer, Raw and Standard. You can have up to 20 active trading accounts, assuming that all the previously open accounts have offer $100 balance. These accounts can be managed through different platforms, such as CTrader, MetaTrader 4 and 5, and even TradingView. This means you can do your technical analysis and manage your trades on TradingView without the need to use different platforms for each purpose. Another rare thing that makes this broker stand out among its competitors is the fact that it now offers both Google Pay and Apple Pay as a transaction method. On top of all that, they have their inbuilt copy trading platform.
I enjoy traveling. I love shopping. I love the luxury lifestyle. I love expensive stuff. I love to go out. I love to travel. I mean, what can you do for me?
For your convenience, a link to every broker listed is in the description. You can also support our channel by using the link for registration, as not all of the brokers mentioned earlier are partnered with Rhasfx. But to continue the list of prominent Forex brokers, here are the top 10 best US Forex broker for traders residing in the US. IG.com, Nadex, eToro, Interactive Broker, Forex.com, Hoanda FXCM, Advanced Markets, City Index, BDS Swiss. In future videos, we will review each of the listed Forex brokers and highlight what advantage they have over their competitors, so you can make the right decision in choosing the best Forex broker that suits you. As such, I highly implore that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and look out for future content. Choosing the right Forex broker is crucial for your success as a trader. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a market maker or the direct access of an ECN broker, make sure to do your research before committing to a broker. Always prioritize regulation, fees, and the quality of the trading platform. Remember, it's not just about finding the lowest spreads or the highest leverage. It's about finding a broker that aligns with your trading goals, provides the tools you need, and offers a reliable service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to dive deeper into a specific broker type. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!